Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Dewalt Max Brushless 1/2 inch hammer drill and impact driver kit with 5 amp hour and a free 6 amp hour battery. It says right here, free Dewalt 20 volt 60 volt 6 amp hour battery with the order. Yes, this is big shout out to 7357 Kicker for commenting this. I know if you're watching this Kicker, don't put the comments on my description section on the videos, because somehow YouTube marks them as not viewable. It blocks them by itself, and I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to block it. I already tried going to the comment section and try to unblock it, but it doesn't even let me read them. So if you want to just send me an Instagram or an email, add me on Instagram and just send me a message on Instagram next time with the link, or send me an email with the link, and just let me know you send it. Just type in the comment that you send me. Anyways, big shout out to him, to Kicker, for letting us know. This is pretty much the update of the video I did from Acme Tool. This is actually cheaper. Like I said, it's the same kit. And plus you get the 6 amp hour battery. And I'll see if I can leave the link down below. But if you put the thing on the cart, it drops down to $364.99. So if you view it in cart, obviously that's not counting shipping or anything. So let's see if it'll let me. It doesn't let me type. Let's see here. Proceed to checkout. Checkout as a guest. Let's see if it'll let you put in the address here. Yeah, I have to put my information in there. It's not gonna let me put without viewing. So I don't know what their shipping cost is. But this is a CPO outlet, so I'll see if I can leave the link down below for you guys, so you guys can check this deal out. I haven't ordered from them before. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys ordered anything from them directly. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to let you guys know. Big shout out to Kicker, and remember, send me a message on my Instagram if you guys want to have a link or something you guys want to share. Make sure you guys add me on your Instagram, as in 2head147. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.